Holy oh!
No!
Oh!
Get here!
Oh! Oh, that's a wave. Oh, that's a wave.
Oh, buddy.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
A strange phenomenon unfolds in the bustling streets of China. Thick foam covers the roads, leaving locals stunned. Is it nature's doing or a man-made mishap? This video completely defies the laws of physics. How can something like this even happen?
Floating right in the middle of the air.
Witness this incredible scene from São Paulo's countryside in Brazil, where a massive tornado-like formation dominates the skies. Check out this rare fire tornado. Flames and strong winds combine to create this amazing display of nature's power. Watch as this tiny crab skillfully digs its burrow in the sand.
Whoa, dude! What the?
These people were hiking in Argentina when they realized they were in a really bad spot.
Oh dear God.
این الان چندین سال همین جوریه نگاه کنین یعنی واقعا آقایونی که
What an incredible sight. In Sari, Iran, natural methane gas seeps through the water and ignites, creating this rare and mesmerizing phenomenon. It's a stunning reminder of nature's hidden wonders. The Wandern mud volcano in southern Taiwan is indeed fascinating. Unlike typical volcanoes that erupt lava, this mud volcano releases mud and methane gas. One of its unique features is that its large eruptions can occur from multiple vents spread over a wide area.
Hold on. Hold on. Don't move.
This man went on a tour to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier broke off and fell into the water.
Wow! Wow!
The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
They do. My dog.
Captured in impressive moments, this lava flow showcases the incredible power of nature. Behold the glory of nature. On one side, rain pours down, while the skies are perfectly clear on the other. What a terrifying landslide this is. This guy was loading up his car when he realized he had forgotten his wallet. Back in 2018, this massive landslide in Switzerland was caught on camera as it came down a mountain.